In front of me is a CUBOT King Kong Mini 2, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me looks to be on the second page right over here. So once you find it, you can tap on it to immediately turn it on with whatever the default parameters of it are, or you can also hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize it. So you can select who can call us, who can message us, and then under see all exceptions we also have some toggles for sounds, touch sounds and vibrations and so on. And we also have things for restrict notifications, default duration, and also schedule if you want to use that instead. Now when it comes down to the default duration, this will determine what happens when you tap on that toggle, which I did right at the beginning. So you can have it until turn off, which is the default one. So once you turn it on, you do need to turn it off. You have a time specific, so you can set up for how many hours it will be turned on every time you tap on it. And then ask every time will bring up this window whenever you tap on that toggle up in the notification panel. So once you have gone through all the settings right here, if you went with the scheduled mode, you don't need to do anything apart from turn on and set up the schedule. But if you're doing it manual way, you will just find the toggle, tap on it, turn it on or off. And as you can see now, it's ask every time, so it will allow me to set it up every time I want. And there we go, it is now enabled, and as you can see there's this little circle with the cross to signify that it is right now running. So that is how you would set up and use the Not Disturb mode, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.